folded hands. We're truly thankful to you at your beautiful place that we got this wondrous opportunity of being present here. नमस्कार, आप सबका दिल से स्वागत है. Friends from the media, आज हम सबका भाग्य भी है और सौभाग्य भी है कि हमें ये खूबसूरत सा पल नसीब हुआ है, तो मैं आप सबके लिए शुक्रगुजार हूँ. Ladies and gentlemen, here for the very prestigious unveiling of the Society Achievers cover page, where we are all elated, overwhelmed, and on a natural high altogether, gives us a huge honor to be one at this very supremely unique cover story. It's unique because we have the trailblazer, our very own Madam, our Honorable Minister, who has not just created a mark for herself, but done everything in abundance for humanity at large. So we are all blessed to be here. Towards the beginning, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, our very special invites. We are truly humbled to introduce to all of you the very dynamic man, the founder of Magnet Publishing Private Limited, who makes it possible to give us innumerable stories, the hidden stories of all those who are super achievers. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please welcome Mr. Ashok Damankar, the very dynamic gentleman. Thank you so much, sir. We welcome the lady of substance who's joined us here today, and we are very excited to welcome Mrs. Jayashree Damankar ji. We welcome you, ma'am. Our chief editor of this very prestigious Society Achievers, may we please kindly welcome Andrea Costa-Beer. And now, जिस पल का हम सब बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे थे, हमें शायद कुछ महीने नहीं, कुछ साल लग गए, ladies and gentlemen, to truly go through the very effective journey she's had. Ladies and gentlemen, friends from the media, it's time for us to have a thunderous applause for our Honorable Cabinet Minister, who's truly driven by passion, not just with our heart, but सेवा करते हैं तन मन धन और अपने रूह से. Her soulful deeds, which have created space in everyone's hearts, with her resilience, her strong determination, and the legacy that she was born with, she carries it with pride and humbleness. Ladies and gentlemen, with folded hands, without any further ado, may we please welcome our Honorable Cabinet Minister for Environment and Climate Change and Animal Husbandry, Government of Maharashtra, Honorable Minister Pankaja Gopinath Mundeji.
Personal, but it is grand. Thank you.
Ma'am, it's the very first time that they have been waiting for this moment. So I'm going to towards the beginning. In the next few seconds, we will have the unveiling of the prestigious magazine with Class Society Achievers cover page, which says 8, 7, 6, 5, आराम से 4, 3, 2, 1. Society Achievers, the cover story. Our Honorable Minister Pankaja Gopinath Mundeji, which says, there is no substitute for ethical leadership.
Sir, madam.
Well, friends, ladies and gentlemen, ये sentence में इतना depth है, इतनी गहराई है, which speaks about the leaders in the times of today, the AI world. Now I want you to take a look at this. Look, as as elegant and sophisticated as always. We are so fortunate. We have the entire story, the journey of Madam Ji इस magazine में, and already अशोक दामनकर sir को इतने calls आए हैं, not just from India but from all across the world, कि हमें ये copy कब मिल सकती है. तो sir, मैं आपको भी ढेर सारी बधाई दूंगी, क्योंकि since the past 1 week people have been asking that when is it, तो sir ने कहा पहले unveiling हो जाए, उसके बाद we will let you know. So it's absolutely not at all. After felicitation. Friends, मुझे पता है आप सबके हाथ गैजेट्स के साथ हैं, तो मेरी तालियां बुरे ना. Society Achievers, a magazine in class founded by our very dynamic Ashok Damankar ji, whose किसी legend के achievement से कम नहीं है. उनके dare to spirit उन्हें इस मुकाम तक ले आते हैं. तो इसलिए एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा सरप्राइज है मैडम के लिए. तो मैं चाहूंगी अशोक दामनकर सर to kindly present a beautiful memento to ladies and gentlemen, a token of love, a memento of Society Achievers for our Honorable Cabinet Minister for Environment and Climate Change and Animal Husbandry, Government of Maharashtra, Honorable Minister Pankaja Gopinath Munde ji के लिए. And dynamic leader is seated here with us, and we are truly fortunate souls. A powerful voice in Indian politics, and the lady who carries forward a remarkable legacy with strength and grace, rooted in service and driven by purpose. She has consistently championed the people she represents with passion and conviction. Known for a determination and progressive vision, she stands as a symbol of empowered leadership, inspiring countless individuals through her journey of dedication, integrity, and impactful governance. With a deep connection to the grassroots and a forward-looking approach to governance, she continues to bridge tradition and modern progress. Her leadership reflects not only strength and vision, but also empathy and an enduring commitment to building a better, more inclusive future for all of us. Wow moment for all of us indeed. Towards the beginning, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've been waiting for. But before that, may I please kindly request our dynamic leader, Ashok Damankar sir, who would like to express his heartfelt gratitude to Madam and also speak about this very auspicious moment. Sir, please may I request you for a few words.
Good evening, friends. Thank you so much, Pankaj Bhai, for giving such wonderful opportunity to carry your success story in Society Achievers current issue. It's really honor for us and pride moment. I think Andrea started the talk with you, and she asked me, can we do a story with the Pankaja? And I said instantly, why are you waiting for? You should just go ahead and do it. That was the talk between me and Andrea. And today, the story is already appeared. And after the unveiling, the cover will be not only released in India but globally, because our magazine is on digitally as well as it's also in a print format. So across the world we'll be reading ताईंची स्टोरी. आणि मला खरंच अभिमान आणि एकदम असं इट्स अ वे मराठीमध्ये मला फार अभिमान आहे की आम्हाला ताईंनी चान्स दिला की त्यांची ही कव्हर स्टोरी, त्यांची जी सक्सेस स्टोरी आहे ती आमच्या मॅगझिनच्या थ्रू, आमच्या रीडरच्या थ्रू सगळ्या म्हणजे ह्या जगापर्यंत पोहोचण्याचं त्यांनी आम्हाला हे जे सहकार्य केल्याबद्दल ताई तुमचे फार फार मनापासून अभिनंदन. अँड थँक्यू सो मच once again for giving such wonderful opportunity to unveil the cover at your house.
Thank you so much.
And just say a few words.
So Pankaja ma'am is one of the nicest people I have ever met in life, and she's such a dynamic girl. She's always cheerful. She works very hard and highly committed. But these are the things we know because she wouldn't have been here as a minister if she didn't have all these traits. But what many of us don't know is that she is most warm. She's most cheerful, and she's literally has a heart of gold. She's a lovely person.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
आता मी महाराष्ट्र राज्याचे माननीय मंत्री पंकजा गोपीनाथ मुंडेजी यांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी आपले मनोगत व्यक्त करावे. Honorable Minister, सबसे पहले आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे, how does it feel on the cover page and the cover story of Society Achievers, please?
अरे क्या कर रहे हो? कितना गिर रहा है कब से?
First thing comes in my mind when I see this magazine myself on the Society Achievers cover page. I feel glamorous actually because my work is, the nature of my work is such that I'm always in rural areas, I'm always with masses, big huge public gatherings, or even in my house where every morning I take Janta Darbar where everyone comes, there is no entry ticket or any appointment there. So that is a different feeling altogether. But whenever such an opportunity given to a person like me who is from grassroots, it gives me, I think my star gets higher. I feel very fortunate, and I am very grateful to Mr. Damankar and Andrea. She's become my friend actually, and she has some extra love for me which she puts in her writing all the time, and she sees beyond other media people see. I think that is what the warmth she sees in me, she has it already. So I really thank you. Mr. Damankar always, Regal I came on previously with Savvy she was working, and he called me for some Society Achievers awards also
Yes.
when I was minister in last term, and it feels very good, and little bit proud also I feel, because my story will be read in a different language, and different people also will maybe see. It's not my achievement story, just my story.
Beautiful. Madam, as the Honorable Cabinet Minister for Environment, Climate Change and Animal Husbandry, Government of Maharashtra, which are those initiatives which are very close to your heart?
Everything, this department, everything is very close to my heart, because whatever I'm breathing is going to my heart, and all the oxygen we require, more oxygen, less carbon, more fresh water, more clean water, more greenery. It's a very different department, very dynamic department. Globally, now people are talking about climate change, and so everything is very close to my heart, because I wanted to work for something bigger, bigger cause, and I always got opportunity thanks to my leaders, my Prime Minister, my Chief Minister. They always give me opportunity to work on the field as well as on different subjects, and also challenging subjects. So it's a big challenge also, and it's also sense of satisfaction that I can work for animal husbandry where there is they can't express themselves, they are husbandries. We are providing human with best quality meat, and we are also saving our cow, and we are saving Mother Nature. We are talking about less pollution. We are talking about global warming, decarbonization, all these things. A very scientific but very sensitive area.
What is that one message, Madam Ji, you'd like to give to the youth of today? Is that the future of tomorrow? You know, who are truly looking forward to, especially girls and ladies who want to enter public life. What is that one message in the times of
I
today?
think girls of today are very equipped. They are very smart, very confident. I am not girl of today. I'm a woman of today. When I was a girl, the scenario was different. But today, scenario is much better for women. It is more, what do you say? It's more enriched and nutritious land already provided to them by previous generation. So they have better prospectors, they have better future. Only thing, whole generation, girls or boys, they need to listen, they need to absorb, they need to little bit follow. This is what next generation has to do. Sometimes you have to look behind, go ahead. In Marathi, we call it Sihavalokan. So every person thinks that you have to look ahead. No, sometimes you have to look behind. You have to learn from your mistakes. If you don't do mistakes, some wrong times, then you have to keep your foot on the ground when you have best achievement times. So that's what we all have to do.
Thank you for this very beautiful message. One last question, which we all want to know, is on my own, that how did it feel you taking a look at the cover page of the magazine?
That's the most important question. As I said, I felt glamorous. I felt very neat, clean, and looking also good actually.
Elegant and sophisticated.
So I know, because that comes from my father. He always liked to be very presentable, very handsome man, and he always taught us to be very presentable. So I am presentable here, but what I am talking in the magazine, how I spoke, how Andrea interviewed me, and how she put it in such beautiful words, and not even one single word is mistaken or misunderstood. It's literally not like achievement. It is a society achievers magazine, but every achiever is not achieving all the time. It's also defeating sometimes, it's also disheartened sometimes, it's also depressed sometimes, but it's also fighting all the time. But when that achiever moments comes, that whole story becomes achiever story.
So we started
Thank you
this
for
cycle.
giving me this opportunity to come on this cover page and sharing my story with the world now. And I really thank Mr. Damankar and Andrea and the whole crew and all of you. Please, I welcome you all. I didn't know it would be this beautiful program. They said I thought it will be just small, but the whole crew is there. I welcome you all, and please let me do little hospitality for you.
Ma'am, they've just come for you. Such me. Ma'am, we'll just request you. We'll be open to a few more very small questions.
जी मराठीत एकदा सांगते.
Just a four minutes.
नमस्कार. आज सर्वप्रथम मी सोसायटी अचीवर्सच्या कव्हर पेजवर मला स्थान दिल्याबद्दल आणि माझी स्टोरी शेअर केल्याबद्दल सोसायटी अचीवर्सचे मिस्टर दामनकर आणि हू इंटरव्ह्यू मी त्यांनी मला इंटरव्ह्यू केला त्या अँड्रिया, त्यांचे खूप खूप आभार मानते. त्याच्या पूर्ण टीम, ज्यांनी फोटो केला, ज्यांनी एडिट केलं, त्यांच्या सगळ्यांचे खूप मनापासून आभार मानते. तसंही आम्ही मीडियामध्ये रोज येतो, पेपरमध्ये आम्ही रोज येतो, आम्ही रोज काम करतो जे लोकाभिमुख आहे. पण हे एक स्टोरी आहे, ही एक सिंहावलोकन आहे. आणि ह्या प्रश्नांमुळे मी सुद्धा मागे वळून बऱ्याच गोष्टी फील केल्या, बघितल्या आणि परत एकदा त्या सगळ्या गोष्टींना उजाळा मिळाला. खूप जेन्युअनली मला प्रश्न विचारले गेले आणि खूप जेन्युअनली माझ्या ही स्टोरी म्हणजे इट्स नॉट अ स्टोरी, इट्स अ रियालिटी. तसं मला प्रत्येक प्रसंगात वाटलं. इतकं सुंदर शब्दात त्यांनी मांडलं. कधी मी वाचलं नाही, आता मी वाचणार आहे, पण ते कव्हर पेज जेव्हा मी बघितलं आणि ते मॅगझिन चाललं तर मला खूप आनंद वाटला. मला मनापासून आनंद वाटतो. मी आभार मानते की ही संधी आपण सर्वांनी मला आधी सोसायटीचा त्याची बातमी सोडून
Honorable Minister, मनापासून आभार. 30 seconds DJ, friends of the media. Please. Thank you so much. We welcome Shiva Bajaj, who's also like a family and a well-wisher. We'd like to thank Bright Outdoor Media of Naran PR and Strategist. May we welcome Siddhant.
Thank you.
Thank you, Siddhant. Thank you so much.
आपण